It's been a busy month already here at H2O. From tree surgery, landscaping, window cleaning, power washing, we do the lot and have a busy year still to deliver for our clients. Hope you all have had a lovely New Year's Eve and let's smash it in 2026. Please hit the like button and subscribe and let us know in the comments what outdoor plans you have got for your outdoor spaces once it gets warmer, of course. So let's catch up with the lads and see why they have closed roads, climbed trees, how we have prepped a brand new driveway and removed the most soil that we've ever shifted, and so much more already, and it's only the first 2 weeks of January. No rest for the wicked, it seems. We begin our journey in an undisclosed area of the southwest, and the lads are working on prepping a property with a brand new driveway. This became one of our biggest projects for the month in the first week, as we're racing against the clock to have this done before the storm hits. The current driveway had seen better days, so there was a lot to take off the surface. Before we continue work later on in the month, just check out the before and after, already looking 10 times better. Lee and his well-maintained mullet are off to do some ground maintenance for one of our clients, whether using the push mower, the ride-on mower, or the hedge trimmer. It's all about the before and after that makes for that satisfying clear up. In one of our more brighter days here in the UK, the lads did a fantastic job transforming this back garden / driveway area, including hedge and tree clearing initially. This mini project expanded more usable space for the client, and with a new higher and stronger fence panels, you get more privacy, sustainability, and a higher quality of presentation overall. For those that don't know, we also get hedges and bushes trimmed and your garden looking top quality all year round. But whilst you're inside having a nice cup of tea and getting all warm and snuggly, you can watch us getting cold. Look, no one likes an unmaintained bush. Oi. Easy with the dirty jokes. We also do hedgerows. If you like satisfying hedgerow and bush videos, then check this out. Also, check out some of our shorts. We've got some amazing shorts coming up that have these particular bits of footage in, but also others. The lads have been smashing the trim for our small and large property clients, keeping up those standards, making things neat and tidy. For those that are familiar with Norbot, if you've seen Wallace and Gromit Ventures Most Foul, you should go and see that film. Ta-da! I'm sure people will get that reference. We also found ourselves high up on a cherry picker down by the river. This was one of the tallest conifers I think we've ever seen, you might have ever seen, and you can really see the scale in comparison to the H2O van in one of the images. But the danger at any moment in time is that you could see one of us taking a dip. Luckily, we have well-maintained equipment and the correct PPE, so there's no worries there. Now let's get back down to earth to check out what the team are doing elsewhere in the West Country. Yes, back down to ground level where the lads are relaying a patio, this time taking away those horrible standard yellow and red combination stones and replacing them with Indian sandstone. So why Indian sandstone, I hear you ask? Well, these are more affordable and widely accessible for our clients. They look great in the dry or the wet, they're durable and long lasting, and we've been using them in a lot of frequent projects. They look amazing in the scattered Tetris style shapes, improving any back garden area. So with that all done and dusted, where are we off to next? We have a big job on at the moment with our client near a seaside location in North Somerset. We're currently completing this job and we'll update you on how it's going soon. But for now, tons of soil were removed, a slope had to be created, a pond had to be removed, and there were more complications. More on that soon. There's likely going to be a full video coming out about the entirety of the project, so keep an eye out for that one. Oh no, looks like we're going back up again. Tree surgery has been a big part of our work portfolio this month. With storms coming and a small dry spell in January, we had to get out there to do the work on cutting some of those trees, those dead trees that could cause injury and fall at any given time. This large oak tree was in need of some serious work, so safety gear on the bobcat and wood chipper in place, we got to work. Timber, quite literally. This particular tree had been confirmed as dead, and we were instructed to finish the job with leaving the tree as a sort of monolith, so that is why it's ending in that particular shape. In another part of the country, a similar situation occurred where we had no choice but to close a road. I know, sounds awful, doesn't it? These are pre-approved, but this work needs to be completed as we need to remove a dead tree. This required getting a cherry picker down a very dicey road. We're very fortunate to get this done prior to the storm. Everything kind of aligned with the time frame and the timeline. With the winds expected and forecasted, we needed to complete this job, as if this tree had fallen, it would have either killed somebody, injured, or one of the UK's worst fears: hold up traffic. So there we have it, our first couple of weeks in January already smashed out with lots more to come. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe and ring the bell, it helps the channel a lot. And look out for new videos and shorts each month. See ya.